In this video, we will learn about atmospheric electricity. You must have seen lightning that often occurs during rainy season with thundering of clouds. Lightning is a huge electric spark taking place among the clouds. When the moisture content in the clouds become large, the electric charge present and stored in clouds is commonly called simply atmospheric electricity. The true nature of lightning was explained by American scientist Benjamin Franklin in 1752 on the basis of his famous kite and key experiment. So, Franklin's experiment. He prepared a kite from silk. The central spar of his kite was a 30 centimeter long iron wire. It was connected to a strong silk thread, the other end of which was connected to an iron. Franklin flew his kite during a thunderstorm. He brought his knuckles near the lower end of the key, but nothing happened. However, when it started raining, he again brought his knuckles near the lower end of the key. This time he observed some sparks coming out of the key to his knuckles. It was because the wet silk thread allowed electricity to flow from the clouds to the key and then the knuckles. Finally, the electric charge could pass to the earth through his body. In this context, Franklin was lucky that he was not electrocuted. How is lightning caused? So the clouds get charged when water and ice particles move rapidly inside the clouds. As the particles move, they become oppositely charged and shape. It is observed that the positively charged particles move to the upper part of the clouds and the negative charged particle rests at the lower part of the clouds. Thus, bottom of the clouds become negatively charged. As a result of it, a positive charge is induced on the surface of the earth. When the negative charge on the bottom of clouds become too large, it overcomes the air resistance to flow electricity through it and lightning takes place. So this is basically lightning in clouds, how exactly lightning happens in the cloud. So lightning lasts only a fraction of a second, but energy involved in lightning is extraordinarily large, which is extremely large. The heat of lightning causes thunder. As the hot electric discharge passes through air, they heat up the air. The suddenly heated air expands quickly, causing the loud noise of thunder. So lightnings again can be very dangerous. Lightning can have disastrous effect due to immense electrical charge it carries. When lightning strikes, its powerful electric current can cause severe damage, such as it can destroy buildings, setting fire to trees and vegetation and igniting the combustible materials, means the materials which basically can burn. Lightning may even kill animals as well as human beings due to the flow of a large electric current through their bodies. But sometimes lightning is useful too. So it is useful in the following ways. So it plays a role in the formation of ozone from atmospheric oxygen. So the ozone layer is essential to protect human beings on the earth from harmful effect of UV rays or ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. So lightning is helpful in conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds, which are actually useful for the growth of plants. So these are useful for the growth of plants. Now, precautions during a thunderstorm lightning. This is very important. So you should follow the following precautions during a thunderstorm to minimize the harmful effects of possible lightning. First, avoid standing tall trees or near tall buildings. Try to avoid contact with metallic bodies. Avoid contact with running water. Unplug all the electrical appliances like computer, TV set, etc. If you are an automobile at the time of a sudden thunderstorm, then remains inside the automobile and shuts its door and windows in order to protect yourself from the harmful effect of lightning. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.